Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to mute someone's calls on Telegram. If you're getting too many calls from a specific contact and need some peace, you can easily disable call notifications. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, open the chat with the contact whose calls you want to mute. Step 3. At the top of the chat screen, tap on the contact's name. This will take you to their profile settings. Step 4. Next, tap on Notifications. This option will allow you to manage notifications for that specific contact. Step 5. Finally, tap on Disable Sound. This will mute their calls, so you won't be disturbed by call notifications anymore. And that's it. You've successfully muted someone's calls on Telegram. Now, you can still receive messages from them, but you won't hear any call notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful Telegram tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Telegram experience.